Hello tool lovers! Welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video, because today we're showcasing the latest new power tools from top brands like Milwaukee, Dewalt, Kreg, Makita, Wera, KNIPEX, and more. These innovative tools are built to boost your efficiency, precision, and productivity. Get ready to explore game-changing upgrades every woodworker and DIYer needs in 2026. Wera Tools. Wera 6007 Joker. The Wera 6007 Joker is a next-generation long-design ratcheting combination spanner introduced in late 2025. It delivers exceptional power transmission thanks to its extended lever arm, making it ideal for high torque and deep-set fasteners. The open-end holding function grips bolts securely, while the integrated limit stop prevents slipping. Its 80-tooth ratchet allows smooth operation in tight spaces, and the 30-degree return angle improves efficiency in confined work areas. Made from chrome molybdenum steel with corrosion-resistant coating, it also features Wera's color-coded Take It Easy system for fast size identification and professional workshop performance. System Impaktor. The Wera System Impaktor is a high-performance impact-rated bit system designed for modern 18-volt impact drivers. It features the innovative tri-torsion system with dual torsion zones in the holder and one in the bit to absorb extreme torque peaks and reduce breakage. Diamond-coated tips increase grip and prevent cam-out, while the ring magnet holder secures screws for one-handed or overhead work. Color-coded Take It Easy marking ensures fast bit identification, improving speed, control, and durability in demanding applications. Kettennieter Werkstatt-Set. The Wera 9532. Kettennieter Werkstatt-Set is a professional-grade bicycle chain tool designed for precise workshop maintenance. Built for 8 to 12 speed chains, it delivers smooth and accurate rivet removal and installation. Its ergonomic handle provides strong leverage, while interchangeable pins ensure long-term durability. The integrated chain hook holds tension for easy operation, and its fine thread mechanism prevents chain damage during use. Supplied in a durable workshop case, it's ideal for professional mechanics and serious cycling enthusiasts in 2026. Milwaukee Tools. Handheld Vacuum. The Milwaukee M18 Brushless Handheld Vacuum 0885-2 delivers powerful job site cleanup with up to 40 cubic feet per minute of suction. Its brushless motor ensures longer runtime and durability, while the HEPA filter captures 99.97% of fine dust particles. Lightweight and cordless, it includes a 6-piece accessory kit for versatile use. Ideal for wood shavings, drywall dust, and debris, it's perfect for professional and DIY cleaning tasks on demanding job sites. Drain Camera. The Milwaukee M 1275-foot drain camera with PACKOUT 2971-20 is a professional-grade pipeline inspection system built for plumbers and contractors. It delivers 1080 PHD clarity with a self-leveling 25mm camera head for always upright viewing. The PACKOUT design ensures easy transport and job site organization. Powered by the M12 red lithium battery system, it includes a 512 Hz sonde for precise locating. With one-key connectivity, users can capture, store, and share inspection footage instantly. Max Rotary Hammer Kit. The Milwaukee M 18 Fuel 1 and 9/16" SDS Max Rotary Hammer Kit 2717-22HD is a powerful cordless tool built for demanding construction work. Delivering 5.1 foot-pounds of impact energy, It matches corded performance for drilling and chipping in reinforced concrete. With 0 to 450 revolutions per minute and up to 3,000 beats per minute, it ensures fast, efficient operation. RedLink. Plus TM, intelligence protects against overload, while ergonomic D-handle design offers control, comfort, and durability for heavy-duty job site performance in 2026. KNIPEX Tools. Pliers Wrench XS, the KNIPEX Pliers. Wrench XS 8604100 is the smallest version of the famous KNIPEX hybrid tool, built for maximum precision in tight spaces. At just 100 millimeters, 4 inches, it still delivers a powerful 10-to-1 leverage for a vise-like grip. It can open up to 21 millimeters and features smooth jaws that won't damage delicate surfaces. With one-handed sliding adjustment and only 70 grams weight, it's perfect for EDC, mechanics, and professionals. PreciStrip16. The KNIPEX PreciStrip16 1252195 is a professional automatic wire stripper designed for precision and versatility. It handles a wide cable range from 0.08 to 16 square millimeters, 28 to 6 AWG, with ease. Its parabolic stripping blades cut and remove insulation cleanly in one motion. A built-in cable cutter, fine adjustment dial, and adjustable length stop improve accuracy. With durable construction and replaceable blade cassette, it ensures long-lasting performance for demanding electrical work. Big Twin Electricista. The KNIPEX Big Twin Electricista is a premium professional tool case system designed for electricians and demanding installation work. Available in standard and wheeled Big Twin Move versions, it features a unique dual opening V design for easy access from both sides. Built from impact-resistant ABS with an aluminum frame, it offers 38-liter capacity, secure locking, and highly flexible internal organization with multiple tool boards and pockets for maximum efficiency on the job site. Makita Tools. Autofeed screwdriver. The Makita XRF04 XRF04Z is an 18-volt LXT, brushless cordless auto-feed screwdriver released in 2026, built for fast, high-volume fastening in drywall, decking, and framing work. It delivers 0 to 4,500 revolutions per minute, with efficient brushless performance and Makita's push-drive technology, improving battery life and control. It can drive up to 2,670 screws per charge with a 5.0 ampere-hour battery. Lightweight at 4.9 pounds, it ensures comfort, durability, and precision on demanding job sites. Single-sided hedge trimmer. The Makita 40-volt Max XGT. Single-sided hedge trimmers, GHU04 and GHU05, are powerful cordless tools built for professional landscaping and estate maintenance. They deliver gas-like performance with less noise and vibration. The single-sided blade includes a chip receiver for cleaner cutting and reduced cleanup time. With up to 5,000 SPM and a cutting capacity of 1 1/8 inches, they handle dense hedges easily. Features include reverse jam release, 3-speed control, IPX4 weather resistance, and anti-vibration design for comfort. Recipro pipe saw chain vise. The Makita 40-volt Max XGT Recipro pipe saw chain vise GRJ03/J R003G is a powerful 2026 release designed for professional pipe cutting applications. It delivers corded equivalent performance, matching a 15-amp saw with up to 40% faster cutting speed. The variable speed control reaches 2,200 strokes per minute with a 1-inch stroke for aggressive cutting. Its integrated chain vise securely holds pipes up to 8 5/8 inches, ensuring precise, clean cuts without extra finishing work required. Kreg Tools. Door Hinge Routing Jig. The Kreg Door Hinge Routing Jig, KTD-Hinge, is a precision routing template designed to simplify and speed up door hinge installation using a standard trim router. Released in late 2025, it delivers professional-grade accuracy for both doors and jambs. Its one jig system ensures perfect alignment every time. Adjustable sliders support 3 inches, 3.5 inches, and 4-inch hinges, while inserts fit multiple corner radii. Built-in offsets, thickness settings, and grip max clamping make setup fast, clean, and highly reliable. Ionic Drive. Wet/dry vac. The Kreg Ionic Drive Wet/dry vac with HEPA, KPTWDV026B, is a powerful workshop cleaning solution released in 2026 as part of the Blue Ion battery platform. It features HEPA-rated filtration that captures 99.97% of fine dust particles, making it ideal for woodworking environments. The brushless motor delivers strong 50 cubic feet per minute suction with 2-speed control for efficiency. Designed for both wet and dry cleanup, it also works as a blower. With a compact 2.6-gallon tank, flexible hose, and tool compatibility, it's perfect for modern workshops.